What's up, my peeps? It's Cynthia, the fitness and wellness bully here, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I am the real life fit to fat and soon to be fit again. If you know, you know. Now, as you can hear, I am feeling a little verklempt, but I sound worse than I feel. And I still wanted to provide you guys with a workout. So today, I bring you a 10-minute arm workout, all right? So we're gonna be working triceps, biceps, and shoulders in that order to the beat. Now, because we're going to do a lot of reps and very minimal breaks, I suggest that you start with light weights, okay? So I'm going to be working my shoulders and my triceps with 5 pounds and my biceps with 8 pounds. If I was lifting heavier and it wasn't a lot of reps, then I would probably go higher. But in this case, because we're gonna be doing a lot of reps, minimal weight, I would suggest lightweight, okay? So we want kissable arms for the summer, and this workout will do that for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. I'd like to know what other types of workouts you would like to see in the future. And remember, this weight loss journey is not easy. We are in this together, so it's important to love yourself through the process, okay? So, enough of the formalities. Let's get it popping. Hey. All right, peeps, we are gonna start out with a tricep kickback, but your palms are gonna be facing forward first, okay? I have 5 pounds, remember, lightweight. Here we go, elbows up, tip at the hip, kick it back, 2-2. Okay, it's very important that when you straighten the arm that you squeeze that tricep muscle, little hold, release. We're changing the pace, up a little slower, down quick. So 3, 2, 1, and down. 3, 2, 1, and down. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. One more. Now we're gonna single it out. Sweet 16 of them. I did not stutter. I said 16. Really squeeze. I want you to see me squeeze. Right? Squeeze. Come on. Got 8 more. After this, we're gonna do an overhead tricep extension. Okay? 4 more. Last one, rise, arms, hands together, 2-2. All right, overhead extension. Straighten your arm at the top. On my head, try to get over it. Take it down, 3, 2, 1, here we go. 3, 2, 1, right back up. Pull the navel towards your spine. That pulls in your core. We're gonna split out. Sweet 16, that's the number. Really squeeze. This is real. Give me 8 more people. We do get a break. We do. After the last 4. One more. Little break. Shake it off. Woo! You should be feeling it in the back of your arms. We're going back to tricep kickbacks, but your palms are facing your body, okay? Tip at the hip, elbows up. Kick it back slow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Down slow. One more. Down slow. Little break, back to work. Take it back, 2-2. I'm feeling that in my triceps. I hope you are too. I don't want to be alone in this. Come on. Single it out, sweet 16, baby. Come on. We're doing this for kissable arms for the summer, right? Last 8, make it great. Four more. one. Alrighty, moving on to the biceps. As I mentioned, I'm using 8 pounds. Feel free to stay with the same weight. Here we go. Take it up, 2-2. Nice even up, nice even down, okay? I want you to pay attention that the top of my arm is not moving. A lot of people like to swing when they do it. No, no, no. 3, 2, 1. Release. Come on. Last one. This. Are we going to stagger to the middle and hold? Top and hold. Middle and hold. Release. And repeat. Now we're going to speed up this stagger right after this. Here we go. A little quicker, but hold in the middle. Middle. Top. Middle. Release. Middle. Top. Middle. Release. There you go. One more. You know we're going to single it out, right? Let's hammer it out. Change your arm position to a hammer. Those are called hammer curls, baby. Palms facing your body, all right? Same rules apply. Don't swing forward the entire arm. Take it up. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Release. I can't help but move to the beat, baby. Come on. Remember those staggers? They're coming back at you. To the middle and hold. Top and hold. Middle. Release. Do that again. We're going to speed up the stagger just a smidgen. Middle. Middle. Release. I'm feeling my biceps smoking. All right? You should be too. All right, listen closely. Give me 4 hammers. We're going to change the position a little bit. Angle out to the side. 4 of them. Oh, yeah. Back to the front for 4. Angle to the 4. Listen closely. Up slow front. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release it. And we're done with the biceps, baby. Alrighty. Last track. Shoulders. Okay? We're doing a lateral raise, but the elbows are bent. Right? Keep the shoulders away from the ears. So this is the kind of lateral raise we're doing. Arm won't be straight. Take it up, 2-2. It's too late. Important thing is keep your forearm parallel to the floor. A lot of people like to bring it in like this. Nah. Keep the knuckles facing forward. Take it up, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Repeat. I don't know about you. My shoulders are on fire already. We're gonna make it together. All right. All right, take it up and tee it out. Good. So extend out, creating the letter T. Get it? Tee it out. One more like that. We got a little surprise for you. You're gonna tee it out for 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Do that again. Tee it out for 3. Now, underhanded front raise. 2-2. So I want you to pay attention. I'm starting the movement from my shoulder, but I have a slight bend in my elbow. All right? It's on fire right now. Take it up. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Release again. Are you ready for a break? No, I am. One more. All right, little break. Shoulder roll. We're gonna change the arm position again to a V. All right, so take it out to the corners. 2-2. All right. Oh yeah. What you're feeling is real. It's real, baby. Ah. Single it out. Ah. Shoulders away from ears. Try not to creep. Take it out to the letter V. Okay? I got a surprise for you. Bounce at the top for 3. 3. Hang out at the top. Father God. Up and release. Do that again. Ah! Up and release. Take it up. 2-2. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah, baby. Come on. Fight through it. I'm feeling it too. Bounce at the top again. Come on. Release. Oh, one more time. If that's not proof I'm not feeling it, I know what is. Release. Take it up slow. 4, 3. We're almost there, kids. Take it down. Or you're not kids, you're probably adults. My bad. Do it again. Down slow. Yeah. We made it to the dessert, the stretch. Ooh, shoulder rolls. We survived that. You did good. Kissable shoulders, right? Last one. All right. Bring that right arm across your body. Ooh, shoulders down. Man, that feels good. Release. Other side. Let's stretch out the triceps. See if I can get past my bun. Other side. Man, that feels awesome sauce. And release. Now take your arms out to the side. Rotate your thumbs down and press back. Stretching out those biceps. Clasp your hands behind you. Ooh. Lift your chest. Stretching out those shoulders again. All right, guys. Good job. Thank you so much. I hope you felt that burn. And remember, people, love yourself through the process, all right? So, until next time, people, peace.